In this training session, we will cover how to open an activity, how to add attachments, links, comments, and subtasks, how to assign an activity, how to see the status of an activity, and read its progress. You open an activity by clicking on it in the dashboard. A Productize activity is the same as a JIRA ticket. On top, you see the JIRA project name and ticket number, which is a unique identifier. And underneath, you see the summary of the ticket. You have different buttons where you can perform different actions. Based on the user's permissions, the buttons that are seen will change. Expanding more, you can see additional actions. There are options to share the ticket or to export it. The details sections have different fields and their values. The description field enables a more detailed description of the activity than the summary field. The section for attachments and issue links are visible only if there's at least one attachment or link. If you don't see them, then you can add them by clicking on the More button and then clicking on the Add Attachment or Link. Once you add an attachment or link, you will see a plus sign, and you can then add additional links and/or attachments. To create a subtask, click on it. Fill in the details and then click on Create. Now you can see the subtask that has been listed in the activity. You can comment on the activity. In order to tag other users, you use the @ sign and start typing their name. You can see the comments menu bar to make use of rich text in your comment. Once you click on Add, the comment will be attached to the ticket. The People section is where you set the assignee, reporter, votes, and watchers. The assignee is the responsible person to complete the task. He or she has the ownership. If you want to assign it to someone else, you need to click on the Assign button and select whom you want to assign the ticket to. The Dates section shows different dates for the activity, for when the activity was created, updated, and the assigned due date. The time tracking can help in capturing time estimates and how much time has been spent on the activity. One can log such work that is transparent to everyone. The status field shows the status of the activity. This is the state of the workflow process. The process has been set by management and implemented by the administrator. Contact them if you would like to change the workflow process. Whatever you see in the circle is the state, and the arrows you see is the transition. A transition will help in moving the ticket state from one state in the process workflow to another state. Based upon which state the ticket is in, for every outward transition you will see a button for that activity. By clicking on this, you can observe the workflow state has been changed and a ticket status has been updated. The Productize dashboard then shows the progress based on the status field. Thanks for watching. In this lesson, we covered how to open an activity, how to add attachments, links, comments, and subtasks, how to assign an activity, and how to see the status of an activity and read its progress.